This is the most popular hotel lock, and this is also a Bluetooth smart lock. Okay, this is the lock model, and the lock body of this lock is like this. We call it US standard 5-latch lock body because there are 5 latches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 latches. This lock body is the most widely used in the hotels around the world. And now I show you how to install this lock body, this lock in the doors. Take this like a hotel door. In the package of this lock, you can see this is a hole sketch. You can dig the holes in the doors by this picture. Okay, we already dig the holes in the door, but I tell you how to use this paper, and put the paper in the door, and you can see there are holes in the paper. Means you need to dig the holes in the door 100% same to these holes on the paper. So after you dig the holes on the door, you can install the locks. First, we need to install the lock body inside the door. We take the front panel down. Install the cylinder. It is made by the brass. Install the cylinder into the lock body. Put it inside and use the key to test. Okay, you can see the deadbolt is out. It means the cylinder is in correct position. This is the screws of the cylinder, a very small, tiny, blank one. There are 2 screws, and in the package you get a screwdriver. Insert this cylinder is not a very easy job. You need to pay much attention. Okay, let's test it again. Insert the keys, and okay, it's working. See the front panel. We put it in the surface of the door. But before you put it, there is a very, very important thing you need to pay attention to. Here, there are 2 screws. You make sure this is a small head, this is big. Make sure the big head will go inside the hole. Okay, press in, and the back side handle, the big head inside the hole. Okay, and now another very, very important thing you need to know. This small arrow, the arrowhead should be toward the latch. Okay, this square hole with arrow, this face should be toward the outside of the door. Look at the back side. There is no arrow, but only 2 small circles. This should be inside of the door. If you didn't install it correctly, the door lock will not work correctly. And now we connect the wire. Here we go. Here is a wire. Spindle should be inside. And now insert the spindle into the holes. And now the back side, the spindle inside, and This is another small spindle. Look at very carefully. This small hole should be inserted into this hole. The two holes should be correctly. Okay. Now I rotate. You can see this spindle is used to make sure the deadbolt is out. Double security. Now insert the screws. Here we go. And use the keys to test. Good, very good. And put back the keyholes. So the lock is installed very successfully.